Where'd your shoe go?
Ninja shoe. Throw it on the roof. Make him parkour to get it. Okay. This is a little more how the game is played.
This is like bullying at a different level.
Just go for the touchdown. Oh God. Your eyes look different than these. What the hell? I saw many things. You know what the glasses effect is? What the hell is this? 3D. Nah, my glasses looking at his glasses. They're flickering.
Fix yourself.
It's amazing.